Roll both fists up and down together. Roll fist up and down but opposite direction to each other. Are clavicles and chest moving differently now? Which way does your face want to look? Roll the fists to the opposite direction. Does a fist roll more than the other? This twisted position affects somewhere else? Is there any relation between rolling fists and tilting legs? To the opposite direction, now. Bend your knees and tilt the legs left and right. Roll fists to the opposite direction from each other. You may feel this position awkward, so do it gently. Roll fists to the opposite direction. Your body may roll backward. Cross right leg over the other and do the same movement. Reverse the crossing of the legs. Both legs together.